Today is Teach You Pattern Rotate tool. It is used for rotating one or more pattern. Right-click on the pattern. Rotate it 90 degrees in the direction of the green line. If green line is not horizontal or vertical, right-click on pattern. Pattern rotate to green line horizontal or vertical direction. Press Shift. The pattern is rotated counterclockwise. Selected 2 points. Move mouse. Pattern rotate horizontal or vertical in selected point. Press Ctrl. Can rotate pattern in freely. Left-click to end. Press Ctrl. Right-click on pattern to display angle dialog. Right angle. Click OK. Left button box select more patterns. Right-click to rotate all selected patterns. Thanks for watching.